On August 23, 2023, ISRO achieved a significant milestone by successfully executing a soft landing of Chandrayaan 3 on the Moon South Pole. The rover embarked on its exploratory journey across the lunar surface. In this video, we will explore the discoveries made by the lander and rover during the last 10 days on the Moon and discuss their significance. On August 23, 2023, ISRO released a video showcasing a significant event, the lander opening its door like a ram, allowing the rover to exit. Subsequently, the rover deployed its solar panels. On August 24, 2023, ISRO conducted tests on both the rover and the lander to ensure that all equipment was functioning properly. On August 26, 2023, the instrument for lunar seismic activity installed in the lander detected vibration on the moon's surface. Scientists speculated that these vibrations might be caused by the rover's movements. However, when ISRO scientists compared this data with the rover's vibrations, it became evident that the detected vibrations were not originating from the rover. This discovery led scientists to conclude that there are seismic activities occurring on the moon like Earth. Moonquakes will help us understand the formation of moon and its relationship with Earth. Furthermore, they will provide insights into the moon's internal structure. However, it cannot be confirmed at this time whether the moonquake was caused by the collision of an asteroid with the moon or resulted from an underground ice collapse. On August 27, 2023, when the lander was tasked with observing the moon's soil, it penetrated 10 cm into the lunar surface. The lander is equipped with a CHASET, which stands for Chandra's Surface Thermo Physical Experiment. It has 10 thermal sensors. It made an intriguing observation. The temperature of the moon's bottom surface was lower than that of the top surface, as you can clearly see in the graph. As we dwell deeper into the lunar soil, the temperature significantly decreases. This reveals that the top surface of the moon serves as a thermal insulator. This has profound implications for the future, as it suggests that we can potentially use moon soil to create bricks that would effectively block heat from entering inside the building. Such bricks could play a crucial role in establishing human colonies on the moon. On August 28, 2023, rover started studying the moon. ISRO had developed two instruments for this purpose. The first one is LIBS, which stands for Laser Induced Breakdown Spectroscopy. With this instrument, a laser is directed onto the surface, causing the release of plasma. This plasma is then analyzed to detect various elements present in the moon soil. ISRO successfully identified elements such as sulfur, aluminium, calcium, iron, chromium, titanium, manganese, silicon, and oxygen in the lunar soil using LIBS. Additionally, ISRO installed another instrument in the rover called APEX, which stands for Alpha Particle X-ray Spectrometer. This instrument works by displacing electrons through the release of alpha particles and detects elements by observing the X-rays emitted during this process. The presence of sulfur on the moon suggests that it may have arrived either from asteroid collision with the moon or volcanic activity on the moon in the past. It's possible that volcanic eruptions on the moon release sulfur. The discovery of sulfur on the moon not only provides insights into its geographical history, but also has significant implications for potential colonization efforts. Sulfur can be utilized to produce rocket fuel, building materials, and helps us to grow plants on the moon. On August 31, 2023, the instrument present in the lander, RAMBA LP, which stands for Radio Autonomy of Moon-Bound Hypersensitive Ionosphere and Atmosphere Langmuir Probe. This instrument started observing plasma in the atmosphere of South Pole region of the moon. This process involves the excitation of lunar particles by sun's solar radiation, leading to the formation of ions and subsequent conversion into plasma. These plasma particles can create communication barriers with Earth. Through the data collected by this instrument, it was determined that there are approximately 30 million electrons within a cubic meter volume of Moon's atmosphere. In the future, with the help of this information, we will be able to filter out noise created by plasma. It will also aid in the creation of a plasma-free environment for future moon colonies. On September 4, 2023, ISRO put the lander and the rover of the Chandrayaan-3 into sleep mode, as the south pole of the moon will experience 14 days of darkness with no sunlight. ISRO's plans to reactivate Chandrayaan-3 on September 19, 2023. The lander and the rover of the Chandrayaan-3 have successfully completed all their experiments. Therefore, even if the lander failed to activate, Chandrayaan-3 will still be considered a successful mission. Support the mission of making our scientific knowledge accessible to everyone by sharing this video, like the video and subscribe to this channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.